Ebook readers have changed the way we read books, magazines, comics, news, and even the way we listen to books. They not only give you instant access to thousands of book titles, but the beauty is that with an e-reader, you no longer have to carry around heavy books, or find physical space to store your book collection. So how do you choose the one that's right for you? In this video, we're breaking down the e-readers on the market this year, based on price, performance, features, and situations they'll be used in. We'll start with the Amazon Kindle Paperwhite, our choice for best e-reader for most people. The Kindle Paperwhite goes for around $130, and for most people, is one of the best e-readers available. The Paperwhite has a 6-inch 1448 by 1072 Carta e-ink touchscreen, with a resolution of 300 pixels per inch. You'll find the screen to be glare-free and the text incredibly crisp and dark, even in direct sunlight, and it's equally easy to read in the dark with its integrated backlight. The Paperwhite has a 1 GHz processor and 512 MB of RAM, which delivers fast performance, and its 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi will let you download eBooks to its 8 GB of internal storage. And of course, you can also upgrade to the 32 GB version for just $30 more. A new About This Book feature gives you details about the title you're currently reading, its author, and its place in the series too. Amazon's Goodreads social network is also available by tapping the G icon in the toolbar at the top of the screen. From there, you can follow friends, view your shelved books, share passages while reading, see what friends are reading, and rate books in a manner similar to the Amazon.com storefront. You can also update lists like what you're currently reading, what you have read, and what you want to read. The Paperwhite gives you up to 28 hours of battery life, but that time can vary depending on how you use it. Turning off the Wi-Fi when it's not needed and limiting your use on the front light will help to conserve power. You'll find the Paperwhite simple and intuitive to use. You have a row of icons at the top of the screen for easy navigation, along with 6 covers of books. You also get options to navigate to a specific page or location in the book, share to Facebook or Twitter, or bookmark pages. In addition to the native Kindle-protected formats, the Paperwhite also supports TXT, PDF, unprotected MOBI, PRC, HTML, DOC, DOCX, JPEG, GIF, PNG, and BMP files. The Kindle Paperwhite is a great choice for just about anyone, whether you're new to ebooks or an ebook lover, as Kindle rules the roost as far as having the largest selection of ebooks available. You can also subscribe to magazines and newspapers, and if you're an Amazon Prime user, you can borrow books for free from an extensive list of titles, so finding great things to read will be easy, even for the first timer. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.